This is one of the methods we use to start permanent dread hairstyle in my area, and it is using just needle and thread. Yes, believe me, just needle and thread. So this hairstyle, you can rock it for months. You just keep washing and start retwisting, or you can just transition into a permanent dread hairstyle from here. So starting off, you have to be mindful of the size you want and the pattern you want the sections to be. This is what we are going for. And when I am done, I use a crochet pin to attach this hair extension to the individual braid. Remember, this is going to be permanent for weeks, so I have to make sure that the section and the size is long-term friendly kind of. So this is the size we went for. It wasn't too full, neither was it scanty. It wasn't too big, neither was it small. It was just perfect. So once I used the crochet to attach the hair, I fluffed out the dread hair extension a little bit so that it completely covers, not completely, it covers her natural hair very well. So my goal at this point is to make sure that her hair is completely enclosed inside of the hair extensions, and then I stitch on the left hand side and then on the right hand side, so her hair balances in the middle of the hair extension. I stitch the left hand side and the right hand side, and this has to be done well so that when she washes her hair subsequently, everything is still going to remain intact. And I just slow down the video so that you can see how I do this. We are going to repeat it maybe twice, and then you see what the end result looks like, although I know you have an idea from the opening of the video. So this is just one of the way we start permanent dread around my location, and I hope this helps in case you need something like this. Even if you do not want a permanent dread hairstyle, this one lasts a lot. You just wash your hair and go, and as your hair grows, you retwist the bottom part of your hair and you are good to go. The hair extension is very lightweight, and it looks like a realistic dread, like natural dreadlocks. So enjoy.